Good afternoon. My name's Chuck Salamel. You know, every culture has its definitions of what it means to be a man. Some of them are pretty superficial, but those with any real depth share one common theme. You live up to your responsibilities. All my life I was blessed with examples of that ethos, in the form of the men in my family. But 23 years ago, I failed to live up to that myself when my partner became pregnant. At the time, we were both very young, self-consumed, and the idea of a child seemed more like a problem to be solved than a life to be protected. When she asked me what I thought we should do, I said I didn't know, rather than giving her a firm answer of support that deep down I knew she was looking for. In retrospect, I know that her next suggestion of having the option to have an abortion came because she didn't want to disappoint or burden me. I was only too relieved to hear this from her at the time, and we aborted our child a short time later. What I should have done was protect her and my child. The short period of relief that I experienced at not having to deal with the responsibility of her child was replaced with a loss that I can't undo, and a life that never had a chance to be. All these years later, I've been blessed with two beautiful children that I really had no right to expect. Yet even now, I can't look at them and watch them play and grow without thinking about my lost child. As a young man, the idea of an unexpected pregnancy can seem frightening and overwhelming at the time. The idea of providing support to a child and mother can seem impossible when you can hardly take care of yourself. Yet it's nothing compared to the loss that you'll have to deal with if a rash and short-sighted decision is made. I know this loss firsthand, and I will always have to live with that regret. But this kind of thing doesn't have to continue. I don't want to see more men and women living with that kind of regret, and so I'll be silent no more.